Look at that magnificent mockingbird.
Hey, Jim! Why won't you come out of this tree?
I want freaking Atticus to play for the freaking Methodists.
Oh. Oh. Hi, I'm Charles Baker Harris, and I can read.
So you act like we cared. Scout here's been able to read for like ever.
Oh.
Why don't you go make some friends or something?
What do you think I'm trying to do?
Ooh, a knothole in a tree. A stick of gum. 2 pennies. 2 soap sculptures of me and Scout. A watch. Yes. Viagra. Boo must have been here.
Hey Jim, let's go meet Atticus.
Alright. Wait, it's Mr. Bose. Don't look her in the eye or turn stone.
Hey Mr. Bose! Oh, sorry Jim, just went through puberty.
Don't say hey to me, you ugly girl!
Hey kids.
Hey Atticus.
Hey.
Scout, did you go through puberty?
Yeah, I think I did, sir.
That's good, that's good. Hey Mrs. DeVos, you look like a bunch of Slim Jims. I like Slim Jims.
Well, thank you, Atticus.
Cal, look, a dog.
Where? Jim, don't go over there. That's a mad dog. Don't touch it.
How do you know, Cal?
Us monkeys have the sense of that. I'm calling Mr. Atticus. Mr. Atticus, I swear there's a mad dog in this yard. You better get over here, Mr. Atticus. Oh, one shot can do the job.
Dang, heck. Did you get tan or something? You look a little dark.
Yeah, I fell asleep sunbathing in the sun the other day.
You have the right to remain silent! Let me shout!
I see it.
Oh, that's a mad dog, all right.
Alright, come on, you got this, heck.
No, sir. I feel better if old one shot it. Yes, sir.
I don't know, I haven't done this in 26 years.
No, sir. You're the best shot in town.
Okay.
Dude, hurry up.
I got this. It's hammer time!
Can't touch this. Can't touch this.
Okay, Mr. Yule, let's hear your side of the story.
Sup, the name's Bob Yule, otherwise known as White Trash, and here's my part of the story. Mayella! You monkey better stay away from my daughter! What?
Okay, freaking Miss Mayella, what's your story?
Okay, Mr. Atticus, here's my side of the story. I got the nickel. Ow! Ow!
I'm taking advantage of you!
Stop taking advantage of me!
I'm taking advantage of you!
Stop taking advantage of me!
Okay, Mr. Robinson, let's hear your side of the story.
Okay, sir. I'll try to tell you as best I can remember, sir. Hey, Tom, can you get that thing off the shifter rope? Not the same shifter rope I busted up, Miss Mayo. No, silly. Okay. What are you doing? I don't like black women, Miss Mayo. Stop. Stop, Miss Mayo. Stop, Miss Mayo. Miss Mayo, this is immodest, ma'am. I got...
Jim, Did you just hear that?
No, you're hearing things, Scout. I just heard that one. Nothing to be worried about.
Who is it? Come on out! Ugh. Nobody messes with white trash! Who do you think you are? Come on.
Who read it?
Okay, Mr. Radley, let's see how this fight will go.
In this corner we have Mr. Bob.
Move! I'm trying to save you!
Victory is mine!
Somebody stole Jim!
It's a sin to kill a mockingbird.